Did you know that over 80% of people deal with dark spots at some point in their life? And here is something even more surprising. The secret to getting rid of them might just be sitting in your kitchen right now. Yes, potatoes. Today I'm spilling all the secret on how to use potatoes to fade dark spots, even out your skin tone, and get that flawless glowing skin you've been dreaming of. I have heard so many amazing things about using potatoes for skincare, from TikTok trends to grandma's natural beauty secrets, and honestly, I had to find out if it's really worth the hype. So if you have been struggling with dark spots, acne scars, or uneven skin tone, this video is definitely for you. Let's be honest, dark spots can be such a confidence killer. They show up for all kinds of reasons: acne scars, sun damage, hormonal changes, or even just aging. And sometimes, no matter how many creams or serums you try, it feels like nothing works. You end up feeling like you are just throwing money away while your skin stays the same. But what if I told you that something as simple as potato can help lighten those spots naturally and affordably? Why potatoes work? So what makes potatoes such a skin superhero? It all comes down to what's inside. Potatoes contains natural enzymes like catecholates, which can help lighten pigmentation and fade dark spots over time. They are also rich in vitamin C, one of the best antioxidants for brightening skin and boosting collagen. And let's not forget about the starch and antioxidants, which can soothe inflammation and promote skin repair. Now, let's get into the fun part, my favorite potato hacks you can try right at home. Hack number 1, the raw potato rub. Simply slice up a fresh potato and gently rub it on areas where you have dark spots. Do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, then let the juice sit on your skin for another 10 minutes before rinsing off. The natural starch and enzymes help brighten your skin while calming any redness or irritation. If you do this consistently for a few weeks, you start noticing your spots gradually fading away. Hack number 2, the potato and honey glow. Mash 1 boiled or steamed potato and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply it all over your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. This combo is a game changer. Honey locks in moisture while the potato gently brightens and even out your complexion. It's perfect if you have dry or dull skin. Hack number 3, the potato juice toner. Grate a raw potato, squeeze out the juice and store it in a small bottle in your fridge. You can apply it daily using a cotton pad before bed. It's refreshing, brightening, and helps with hyperpigmentation over time. Just make sure to use this fresh juice every 2 to 3 days so it stays effective. Now I have to share this story with you. My friend tried these potato hacks after struggling with acne scars for months. She used the raw potato slice trick every single night for 3 weeks, and honestly, the transformation was amazing. Her skin looks clearer, brighter, and her confidence just shot up. So let's recap beauty fam. Potatoes are packed with enzymes, vitamin C, and antioxidants that help fade dark spots, smooth your skin, and boost that natural glow. Whether you're rubbing raw potato slices, using a potato and honey mask, or applying potato juice, the key is consistency. Now it's your turn to give these potato hacks a try. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. I would love to hear your results. And if you are ready for more skincare secrets, check out my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I've got plenty more natural skincare hacks coming your way. Until next time, stay glowing, stay confident, and remember, sometimes beauty really does start in the kitchen. Bye.